Hi all, we are from Excel Public School, Mysore.
I'm Lekhana.
I'm Pavani.
I'm Dhatri. We are from class 7.
Our problem statement is a device, a fun gamified way for students to build skills like problem solving, spatial thinking, negotiation, and pattern recognition. We have come up with a fun game called Roll and Rock, a modern version of the traditional hoop rolling game for students in the foundational years. We have made it more interactive by adding IoT sensors and Arduino microcontrollers.
The game consists of 6 sensor pyramids that encompass the Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensors, buzzer, and the addressable LED strip.
The sensor pyramids can be placed along the track of the hoop rolling game. Sensor nodes will buzz if the tire goes out of track. This way, the game becomes more interactive. We have structured the game with 3 levels. The first level focuses on spatial thinking and fine motor skills. The tracks will be varied with narrow turns and twists in the first level with progressing rounds, thereby increasing the difficulty. We hope this will make it more interesting. The second level focuses on the pattern recognition skills of the player. The addressable LED strip in the sensor pyramids will display a combination of colors. The player is supposed to recreate the color pattern using buttons at the end of every round. The third level focuses on the problem solving skill of the player. There will be a colored blocks placed in the path of the tire. The player will be given 2 chances to move the block to arrive at the particular pattern, say 2 same colors in a row. The rounds in the second level will be an add-on to the existing first level, and the third level will comprise both the complexities of the first and the second level. There is no existing IoT-based modified hoop rolling game. It not only sharpens fine motor skills but also gives opportunities to develop pattern recognition and problem solving skills. We have used the 3D printer to print our sensor pyramids. I did the project circuit. Pavani and Lekhana did the model building and the 3D design for the sensor pyramids.
We enjoyed working in the ATL Marathon project and we thank the school for providing us this opportunity. Thank you.